guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going
Hello.
to Worli to experience.
Vidur is seeing his video ka intro. But guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Worli. We are going to this place called Milagro. जिसका मतलब है, the word Milagro means miracles. So we are very excited to go and try the food over there. It's a Spanish food, and I saw a bunch of videos. And are we experiencing the Sunday brunch or
We
the
experience
other
Sunday brunch.
Oh great! So we're experiencing their Sunday brunch, and there's something very cool that they do at their Sunday brunch, which I'm very excited for, which I'm going to show you guys in the video. So keep on watching, and let's go to Milagro. Made it to Milagro, and we're here for the Sunday brunch. This is their seating here in the corridor. Very nice, yeah, perfect for the day, but it's only functional in the evening because it's too sunny. Otherwise, cute seating out here, and you can look right out. We are sitting on the last table over there because we have to shoot content. हमें light चाहिए तो हमने बोला हमें बाहर ही बिठा दो. And Vidur is clicking the indoor ambience. This is the bar. They have some high tables here, and this is the rest of the place. Very nicely done up. I love the ambience. It's so simple and so elegant. They've got a massive Sunday brunch menu, which I'm just going to show you guys in a bit. We've ordered what we wanted to have, and we've ordered a bunch of tapas. We've ordered a taco, some salad, and I think Vidur has ordered some eggs for himself, so that looks good. So far, we ordered this much. Their Sunday brunch is massive. Let me show you what the menu looks like. As you can see, काफी बड़ा menu है. They have a whole lot of things to pick from. This is what the package is. You can either go for the package or you can just pick everything a la carte depending on your appetite. So I'm super excited to eat everything we've ordered. Let's eat. Food is here, so we're trying to be thoda healthy. Isliye here we have some beetroot carpaccio, that is Vidur's gambas. Those are my corn and shiitake croquettes. We have some truffle Spanish omelette that Vidur is gonna have. Then we also have some cauliflower mushroom tacos. That's my patata bravas. Sorry, no, what bravas? My bad. And this is calamari. These are our drinks, जिसका नाम मुझे पता नहीं मेरा.
Based drink.
And
This is a mocktail.
yeah, mine is quite refreshing. मैंने अभी एक sip try किया. It was quite nice. Food looks amazing, smells great, so can't wait to dig in. So I'm eating the tacos, the mushroom and cauliflower tacos. I already had one before, and it is so damn good. One of the really good tacos I've had. So flavorful. Even this tostada with pesto and burrata, damn nice. Everything that we've tried so far is great. And special mention to this bread. I think it's made in-house. It goes with the gambas that Vidur got, but kya bread hai bhai. It's so soft and so nice. I absolutely love it. Great food so far. Even the beetroot carpaccio, yum. Nice smoky flavor it's got. So great food so far. We have got us some paella. This is the veg paella. It has broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. That's it for me. Yeah, thank you. उधर को नॉन वेज पाया खाना था, बट मैं हूँ उसके साथ, so he is having to settle for the veg paella today. Let's see how it is. Vidur is getting photos. This is what I was talking about. This is the fun part at the end of your meal. You can pick from a dessert trolley. So they have so many desserts to pick from. There are some cakes, there are some eclairs, and I want to have these bombolonis down there as well. And there is, I think, a mango cake. Looks so good. After eating from the dessert cart, we had 2 bombolonis from the dessert cart. We've ordered a lava cake over here, and it's smelling so fresh. It took some time to come out, so you know it is freshly made. They told us it'll take around 15 minutes to get ready. And there's a pistachio sauce on the side. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is our lava cake. ये विदुर का dessert है, क्योंकि दोनों बोम्बोलिनी मैंने खाए हैं. Look at it. It looks so good. Vidur, are you ready to eat it? Chal, you eat. Don't look very excited. I think we both are too stuffed and sleepy now already. It's good? Pour some of the pistachio sauce on this. On the side. Wow. Crazy combination. I think there is like chocolate, pistachio, vanilla, everything.
try it. You really need to try this.
Several days later.
As you can see, I'm in different clothes, and that's because I'm shooting this outro after a very long time, almost a week, but that doesn't change how our experience was. We absolutely loved the food that we had at Milagro. So if you guys want to try out some Spanish food, you'll have to go there. Love the tacos, love the paella, and the whole part where they roll out the dessert cart for the Sunday brunch. That's amazing too. Even if you are not going for the Sunday brunch, definitely just go and dine in there to try out some great food. They have a nice cocktail room which has a great vibe, so you can check that place out as well. But yeah, that's about it from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and comment as well. And we have a lot more content coming up, travel and food, so don't forget to follow us. I'm going to insert Vidur's account as well, so you can check his YouTube channel out as well. So yeah, I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.